Just one swipe of it like this, it comes off perfect. And it's just crystal clear on the inside. One of the most difficult areas to clean on a car is the windshield. It's always awkward to do and you have to contort your body to reach the towel in so many different places. But with Adams Polish's windshield cleaning tool, it makes it a lot easier, okay? It makes it a lot more convenient. It essentially gives you an extension to your arm to be able to have access to the hard to reach areas on the inside of your windshield. Plus, it also gives you extra reach for the outside of the windshield. It comes with 3 separate bonnets. One is a gray waffle weave bonnet. This is good for kind of standard cleaning, but also when you get into treating your glass with something like Brilliant Glaze, this is a great applicator for that. The second bonnet you get is a tough glass towel bonnet. So if you need to do some scrubbing or do some extra cleaning. And lastly, you have the white plush microfiber bonnet. It's really gonna grab onto some of the haze and other things on the inside of the windshield while you're using it. Now, when it comes to cleaning your windshield, focusing on the exterior, it's pretty simple. Use your favorite glass cleaner, and I recommend using the gray waffle weave bonnet. But when it comes to cleaning the inside of the windshield, there's kind of 2 ways to do it. One would be cleaning and one would be treating the inside of the windshield. And it's actually a question we get a lot. How do you do those 2 things? Let's jump right into it. I'm gonna start with the cleaning portion. Now, when it comes to cleaning the outside of your windshield, it's really difficult to reach to the middle of the windshield. Now, in this case, this car is lifted. I think it's lifted 3 inches. So trying to reach to the center of the glass is a little bit too difficult. So I'm gonna take the gray waffle weave bonnet and I'm gonna install it onto the head here. And then I have Adams Polish's standard glass cleaner. Now, the waffle weave does a really good job of grabbing the dirt and pulling it off. And it will absorb some of the glass cleaner and it will help with the streak-free finish on your windshield. So I'm just gonna lift this up really quick, take the glass cleaner, spray it onto the windshield here. And you'll see with the windshield cleaning tool, I'm able to reach all the way, if not further, on the windshield than I could reach with my own hand. I know I've been on road trips, you stop at the gas station to get gas, and you take the thing out to clean your windshield from all the bugs. Now, the product they put inside there is probably not good for your glass, especially if you have protection on your glass. I will take my windshield cleaning tool, I'll leave it in my car, I'll keep my glass cleaner in my car, and when I'm on my road trip, I'll just break this thing out and I can clean my glass whenever I want. But as you can see, I can reach all the way further than half to clean my windshield. And, you know, again, especially on a car that's lifted, a bigger truck, maybe it's a camping Sprinter van, whatever it may be, having the windshield cleaning tool is just an extra extension to your arm to be able to reach the hard to clean areas on your windshield. Jumping inside of the car, when it comes to cleaning the inside of the windshield, you can pick your favorite glass cleaner. Okay, Adams Polishes has 2. We have our standard glass cleaner, and we also have an aerosol glass cleaner. Now, I will say, if I'm gonna spray it directly onto the windshield, the aerosol glass cleaner is my favorite for inside. So I'll take this off. The reason why I like the aerosol glass cleaner is when I spray it like this, the aerosol glass cleaner foams up and it stays on the windshield, okay? I'm gonna take the gray waffle weave bonnet and I'm gonna do this kind of a first round of, call it scrubbing, okay? So I'll take this and I'm just gonna use this and go over the surface that I sprayed. And what you're gonna see is the cleaner is starting to work with the waffle weave bonnet. And then what I'll do is, because a lot of the product goes into the bonnet that I'm using to clean, I will switch to the black tough glass towel bonnet and I'll do some finishing swipes with the windshield cleaning tool like this. All right, got a nice streak-free finish. Now, another thing I do recommend, grab an edgeless utility towel. Listen, if you're cleaning the interior, you're gonna have this anyways. But if you get any overspray on your dash, just take your edgeless utility towel and wipe it down before you move on. Okay, now when it comes to using the standard glass cleaner, you're gonna use it again with the gray waffle weave bonnet. The glass cleaner is probably gonna run if you spray too much of it on the inside of the windshield. So what I'll do is actually turn and I'll aim outside of the car and I'm gonna spray 3 or 4 sprays of the glass cleaner onto the gray waffle weave bonnet. And now I can take this and you can see I have the waffle weave bonnet working with the glass cleaner to clean the surface. And again, like one of the best things about this windshield cleaning tool is it gets into the cracks and crevices of areas that's really difficult to reach with your hand. So after I do a quick cleaning with the waffle weave gray bonnet, I'm going to install the black tough glass towel bonnet as well. And then I'm gonna go over the surface one more time to give it that streak-free finish on the inside of the windshield. Another thing you can do to the interior glass is give it a Brilliant Glaze treatment, and that really gives it a good foundation to make cleaning your glass easier in the long run. Okay, now when we get into the treatment process of the inside of the windshield, the 2 bonnets I'm gonna use is the gray waffle weave one, as well as the white plush microfiber bonnet. And what I have with me is Brilliant Glaze. Okay, Brilliant Glaze is the secret to putting the treatment onto the inside of your windshield. Now, you can see on here, there's some haze on here. Now, this haze is really caused from off-gassing from your interior. So from the vinyl material to your upholstery, it off-gasses, then it gets into your AC or your HVAC system, and then it blows it onto the inside of the windshield, and it puts this haze. Every car in the world has it, okay? And the one thing that Brilliant Glaze does is it cuts straight through it. So I'm gonna show you that by doing the interior windshield treatment. So take the tool, I'm gonna install the gray waffle weave bonnet. Now, I'm gonna take the Brilliant Glaze, okay? Pop the top, and I'm just trying to put a nice thin, even amount around the whole waffle weave bonnet on here. So it's a little bit like this. I don't want to overdo it. If I put too much on here, it goes on really heavy onto the inside of the windshield, and then it takes a little bit longer for the Brilliant Glaze to cure. Sometimes even if it's a little heavy on here, you can kind of see, I'll use my finger and even it out onto here. Okay, once we have it on here, now we're gonna treat the inside of the windshield. And the one thing about this tool that I love is I'm gonna be able to reach down into all the corners and where the dash and the windshield meet. So take this, and I'm just gonna put a nice even layer of Brilliant Glaze onto the surface here. And then what I can do is, I like to do the outline like I did, and then I'll fill it in like this. And I try to go, you know, up and down and side to side. So once I get it filled in, then I'll go side to side as well. And if I need a little bit of extra leverage, I'll just grab the interior cleaning tool closer to the head of it. Now that we have this on here nice and even, the solvent inside the Brilliant Glaze is gonna flash off of the surface, and it's gonna leave the glaze on here, which has a little bit of an abrasive, plus it has a little bit of wax. And so then when we go to wipe it off, it's gonna be really smooth when we wipe it off. I'll take the white plush microfiber bonnet. Now I can see this is starting to get nice and chalky, but there's still some little like kind of wet spots on here. I want those to fully go away before I start wiping it off. Now, the microfibers is the best way to pull the Brilliant Glaze off of the interior surface that we just applied here. The reason being is there's just many more fibers to grab onto it. And because the Brilliant Glaze is on here, it's not gonna grab onto the fibers and lint on the surface. And so this is by far the best removal bonnet when it comes to doing the interior windshield treatment. Now that the Brilliant Glaze has hazed over on the inside, it's time to remove it. And what I want you to see is you can see the chalkiness of the Brilliant Glaze. So the solvent has come out of it. And now just some of the abrasive and the wax is just on here. So you can see, like, if I take my thumb and I swipe it, you can see it's nice and crystal clear. But with the microfiber, it's gonna remove it even that much easier. So we'll start up top, and you can see with just one swipe of it like this, it comes off perfect. And it's just crystal clear on the inside. If you could feel this, what I'm feeling is the microfiber bonnet is just gliding on the surface. And so I can really feel that slickness left behind from the wax on the Brilliant Glaze. And again, the thing I love about this cleaning tool is you can reach all the way down into this crevice, or whatever you want to call it, the corner right here that, you know, a lot of people have a lot of difficulty with when they are cleaning the inside of a windshield. Now, just with a couple different things, the Brilliant Glaze, the two bonnets, and the windshield cleaning tool, you can really get super crisp, super clear glass on the interior of your car. Now, if you get fingerprints or something on here, or maybe some of the off-gassing, now you can just take the microfiber bonnet and now you can just wipe it off because it glides on the surface. And so your Brilliant Glaze treatment doesn't have to happen every time. What I would say is the next time you come out here and you go to use the microfiber bonnet and it stops and it's sticky, that's when you know it's time to retreat the inside of your windshield with the Brilliant Glaze, the gray bonnet, the white microfiber bonnet, and the windshield interior cleaning tool. Now, hopefully you have a better understanding when it comes to cleaning the inside of your windshield or doing the treatment on the inside of your windshield. Now, when it comes to the windshield cleaning tool, using your favorite glass cleaning products is ideal. Okay, so either the Adams Polish's aerosol glass cleaner, and I really like this on the inside of the windshield because when you spray it, it foams and sticks to the glass. You don't get a ton of overspray all over your dash or your interior. For exterior, I like the glass cleaner. But again, like we talked about earlier, you can always spray this into the tough glass towel bonnet, the black colored one. Now, when it comes to treating the inside of your windshield, like we talked about before, the Brilliant Glaze is the best option. Thank you for watching. I know you're gonna love this product. It makes cleaning your windshield inside and out super, super easy. And when you pair it with the right product, you're gonna get perfect streak-free glass.